like a mouse. I'm a young ramen noodle. I got a machine turned into a poodle. Back in the days, used to eat social strudels. I got Alexa, you still using Google. If you ain't gang, use a microwave. I'm a big dog, put me in the cage. I'm pink, just like some lemonade. You yellow, I'm beige. What you gotta say? I like blue, but I listen to hip hop.
What is good, everybody? It's your boy Noodle Too Spicy, and we back again with another lit video. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to point out that the camera is making me look hideous today. So if y'all see me looking hideous right now, just bear with me, alright? Okay. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting in almost 2 months. It's probably been 2 months. Yeah, it's been 2 months. But yeah, man, I'm so sorry for that. But you know what I'm saying? I'm back. And I know y'all haven't seen me do videos like this. But today I'll be doing my first ever hair routine. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Noodle got to do a hair routine. He has to do his hair routine. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got the waves, and I haven't washed my hair in like a week or so. And I wash my hair once a week. That's one thing y'all gotta know. And for the wavers out there that's watching this, y'all gotta wash your hair like once a week. Like, don't wash it every single day, because that's gonna mess up your waves. Like, your hair gonna be too wet and your waves is not gonna show like that. You want your hair to be a little dry, but not too dry. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm gonna do my first ever hair routine. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna get it started, and I'm gonna show y'all the products that I be using on my hair. And yeah, we just gonna get into it. Let's get it. Alright, so what you gonna want to do is you gonna want to grab your shampoo. I got the Just For Me shampoo. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I would recommend that. It has a lot of natural ingredients, but you don't have to get this. I would just recommend you guys getting that. And second off, what you're gonna want to grab is your leave-in conditioner. That's what I have right there. I don't know if you guys can see that neither, but yeah, I would recommend you guys getting that conditioner. Another thing you're gonna need is your Shea Butter Cantu conditioner. This conditioner basically has oils in it, which is healthy for your hair, and that will benefit your waves also. What you're also gonna need is your, drum roll please, your moist conditioner. This leaves your hair very moist, so it won't be too dry. I would recommend this type of conditioner, especially for wavers like me, because my hair is a little straight. That's one fun fact about me. I'm sorry, but no one asked. But anyways, another thing you're gonna need is your washing waves. This is for all my 360 wavers. If you're trying to have your waves look a little shiny, I would recommend you get this. I ordered this on Amazon, and I promise you this is not a sponsor. Alright, so what you're going to want to do now is wet your hair before you put anything in your head. You want to do this before anything so that the products that you put in your hair won't dry out, if that makes sense. Alright, so now you want to do a second lather wash with the washing waves. You want to do a second lather wash so that you can really lay your hair down with the lather, so you won't have any forks in your hair. You get what I'm saying? The wavers get what I'm saying. Okay. Then you're gonna rub that on your beautiful head of yours. Nah, let me stop. But your head is beautiful though. Aww. And then you're gonna brush that thing down. But do not do this on the first wash though. Alright, now it's time to put your conditioners in there. But do not put your leave-in in yet. You want to put your moist conditioner in first, because when you put your leave-in in first, when you wash out all your conditioners, instead of rinsing out, it's going to dry out. And we don't want that. Alright, young ramen noodles, you're going to rub that moist conditioner in. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Rub that in. Rub all that good stuff in, man. That's what I'm talking about. And now you put in your leave-in conditioner. I know y'all was waiting for that part. Nope. No. Okay. Then you grab your Shea Butter leave-in conditioner so you can provide your hair the oils that it needs.
Then you want to grab your do-rag or your wave cap.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Alright, here's how you put your do-rag on. You want to put it on top of your head, make sure it lines up. And then now what you want to do is you want to flip the front up. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm doing? You want to flip the front up and grab both of the straps and wrap it around the back of your head. And grab one strap. And put it to the side. And grab the other one. And make it align with the flip up. I know I messed up right there, but don't mind it. Oh my gosh, this is getting on my nerves. But yeah, you want to do that and grab the strap that you put to the side and align it with the flip up. Then you want to tie them together. And you're done. Then you're going to rinse out all the conditioners with the do-rag on. I repeat, with the do-rag on. The reason why I'm telling you to do this with the do-rag on is because when you do it with it off, those conditioners are going to dry out. Now, I know I keep saying the word dry out in this video, but that is very important for beginner wavers. Let that dry and wait 3 hours.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to check the results in 3, 2, 1. Hold on, y'all. Let me get in the light real quick. Hold on. Let me get in the light.
Nah, just silky. Look at the fuck.
Yes, sir! How you doing, mom? Y'all finna go to the beach.
I know it's flaky at the edges. That's because I didn't dry some of the excess conditioner off. But yeah, give y'all one more look. This how it should look after y'all do all the tips I just showed y'all in this video. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Why does this light keep falling? My bad, guys. Make sure you give this video a like, and make sure you comment and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.